Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk with Hands, where we learn ASL together. In today's video, we're going to learn numbers and counting. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Numbers. So have your two hands closed like this and you do like a twist, touching them like this. Numbers. Counting. Have your non-dominant hand palm flat like this. Take your dominant hand, the index and thumb touching each other, and you do this like you're tapping at the center of your non-dominant palm like this. Counting. For the number 1 to 5, sign differently depending on the context. So if you're signing just the number itself from 1 to 5, you sign it with the back of your hand facing outward. But if you're signing it with other numbers, you sign it, the palm, inside of the palm, facing outward. I hope you get it. If you get it, put in the comment section below. If you don't get it, forget about it. Just kidding. So 1, again, the palm facing outward when you're doing it with other numbers. You flip it like this if you're signing the number by itself. For example, if you want to say 1 child, you do it like this. If you want to say 2 children, you do it like this. If you're trying to say my phone number is 234, this is how you do it. 234. Don't do it like this. 234. Okay? Alright, let's start with the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back a little bit. For 3, you notice 3 is having your thumb out, not like this, not like this. 3, like this. 3, 4, 5. Easy, right? Yeah. So now you turn your hand like this. 6, the thumb and the pinky finger, you're holding it like this, having the 3 middle fingers up like this. 6, 7, you move to the next finger like this. 7, 8, the next finger. 9, the next finger, and 10. So from 6 to 10 is basically moving your finger from the pinky to the index finger like this. Yes, like this. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and for 10, having your thumb out like this and you shake it back and forth. 10. Let's do it together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. You're able to count from 1 to 10 in ASL. Clap for yourself. Yay! So now let's move on to 11 to 20. All right. This is 11. So you're flicking your index finger and your thumb like this. 11. 12. You take 2 fingers like this. 12. 13. 13, you have your 3 fingers like this. You bring it back and forth. Back and forth. 13. 14, you bring out 4 like this. Back and forth. Back and forth. 14. 15, 5, the same thing. 15. 16, you do 6 and you move it back and forth like this. 16. Some people do 16 like 10 and 6. So they do 10. This is 10, right? So they just do the thumb and they do 6 like this. 16. But I would say do this. This one is easier, right? 16. 17, you do 7 and you shake it. 17. 18, you do 8 and you shake it. 19, you do 9 and you shake it. 20 is having your thumb and your index finger touching each other like this. Tap, tap, twice. 20. Let's try 11 to 20 again, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or if you want to do 16, to 20 the other way, the 10 and the 6, you do it like this: 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so from 20 to 30 is a little bit tricky. I want you to pay attention. If you're still watching to this point, type pay attention. This is how you sign pay attention. This is 21. So 21, you have your hand like in the L shape, and you take your thumb and you bring it back and forth like this: 21. For my Cameroonians, you do 21. But here, American Sign Language is 21. 22. 22. So you do 2 and 2. But for this 22, you're doing it like downward motion like this. And you will notice for all those double numbers that are the same, the movement is a downward movement. So 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. You get the gist? You get it? Okay, good. 23. So you notice for 23, you have your hand back up like this. You don't have it down. You have it back up like this. 23. 24. 2 and 4. Now for 25, it's a little bit tricky. For 25, you do this. 25. 25. So you basically have your middle finger and you wiggle it like this. Like this. Like up, down, up, down. 25. Don't ask me why. That's how I learned it. 25. Meanwhile, for my Cameroon viewers, you just do 25. Don't stress. 25. Me and my American signers, you see some people do 25 like this. Sometimes I do 25. Yeah? Because I've been mixed with my deaf Cameroonians and they do 25 like this. 25. The Americans do 25. If someone does 25 or 25, they are all right. 26, 2 and 6. 27, 2 and 7. 28, 2 and 8. 29, 2 and 9. And this is 30. 30 is 3 and 0. 30. This is no. This is 30. So now that we've done 1 to 30, do you want us to do it all together? Yeah? Okay. Sign with me. Yeah? You ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We good? Yeah. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You did it! You signed from 1 to 30. Clap for yourself. Now, I'm not going to count to 100 because we're going to sleep here. So I'm just going to sign the key ones, which is 30, the 10s, so 30, 40, and I'm going to sign the double similar numbers, right? So we do 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100. So you do 100 like this or 100. You do 1 and you pull it, forming an X as you're moving backward. 100. Or you do 1 and you form a C. 100. So for the numbers, you do like 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, then 100. You get it? Okay. So I'm sure you'll be able to sign all the numbers from 1 to 100. You good? You good? Yeah, I know you're good.